Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to discuss about how to enhance performance and learning. Most people aren't underperforming because they are lazy or not smart enough. It's often the opposite. They are overwhelmed, burnout, and working hard in all the wrong ways. Lack of clarity in goals leads to scattered efforts. Inconsistent routines break momentum. And let's not even start on the impact of poor sleep, binge scrolling, and multitasking on the brain. It's not about trying harder, it's about working smarter. And in this video, I will show you how. Imagine performance as a triangle: three corners, mindset, method, and environment. Most learners fixate on what they study, ignoring how they study and where. A growth mindset believes ability can be developed, which encourages resilience. The right methods, like spaced repetition or the Feynman technique, double retention. And an environment free of distractions, that alone can skyrocket productivity. When all three align, performance naturally levels up. Let's talk neuroscience. Your brain isn't built for 10-hour cram sessions. It's optimized for focus sprints about 45 minutes at best before cognitive fatigue sets in. Add to that the dopamine loops from constant notifications, and it's no surprise we lose hours in distraction. But here's the edge: entering a flow state, that zone where learning feels effortless, is a superpower. All it takes is eliminating interruptions and doing one cognitively demanding task at a time. Let's look at case study that will blow your mind. Elon Musk famously schedules his day in 5-minute blocks to hyper-optimize focus. Tony Scott found that top performers, whether in music, sports, or chess, work best in 90-minute intervals followed by rest. Even elite athletes don't train non-stop. They use cycles. Why should learning be different? Treat your brain like a high-performance machine. Train it in focused bursts, then recharge. Performance isn't just mental, it's physical. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a learning tool. During REM cycles, your brain literally replays and restores what you studied. Nutrition: your brain needs healthy fats, hydration, and micronutrients to think sharply. Even movement matters. A 20-minute walk can boost your creativity by 60%, proven by Stanford research. Ignoring these fundamentals is like running the latest software on outdated hardware. Upgrade the system. Big change doesn't require big action. It requires consistent micro habits. Start with just 1 or 2 goals per day. Keep it manageable. Use the Pomodoro technique to keep your brain alert. After study sessions, write what you learned. Journaling triggers memory reinforcement. And if you are stuck on a task, just commit to 2 minutes. Often starting is the hardest part. And once you are in motion, momentum kicks in. That's the secret. High performers think long term. They don't just grind for grades or recognition, they fall in love with the process. Instead of fearing mistakes, they use them as feedback loops. Instead of chasing perfection, they aim for consistency. And most importantly, they celebrate small wins, because each win compounds into progress. This mindset unlocks growth. It's not about doing it all at once. It's about doing it again and again. Here's the bottom line. No one's coming to do it for you. But the tools, they are right here. Start with one small habit. Maybe it's your sleep routine or your study method or even your screen time. Build a system that supports the person you want to become. Reflect often, adapt boldly, and remember, your performance isn't fixed, it's flexible. It's time to take control of it. If this video gave you even one strategy you will try today, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs a mindset reset. And comment below which habit are you starting today. Let's build a smarter, stronger learning community together. Subscribe for more content like this because you are not here to be average. You are here to perform. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.